Help, I've fallen and I can't get up.
Yo guys, it's Sam, and all day I've been waiting to get my hands on the Apple Watch Series 4. I'm super excited about the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max, but above everything else, I want to see the new screen on this. I want to see the new processor, how that performs, and I also am interested in testing like the fall detection capability, so stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Now from the outside, the box largely looks the same as it has in the past. It says Apple Watch right here, but honestly it feels a little bit lighter, and I know from watching some other unboxings that there is some different stuff on the inside. So let's go ahead and peel the plastic off of this. So inside of this is a space gray 44mm Apple Watch. The new sizes this year, because the screen did get bigger, is 40 and 44mm, and I had the 42mm, which was the larger size before, so I thought I'd go ahead and stick with the larger size again. Okay, that's super cool. Look at that. That is really cool. There's a new artwork on the inside. Oh wow. I'm a huge fan of this. Go ahead and take a look. It's got all new artwork just showing like cartoonish versions of the Apple Watch, but really nice to look at, and so much better than just the plain white packaging they used before. So good job, Apple marketing. So let's go ahead and open this part up. Whoa, this is totally different. This is a completely new unboxing experience. So right here is your quick start stuff. You've got your normal charger, your normal power brick, but the actual Apple Watch is no longer automatically connected to a band, and it's inside this little like suede or leatherish feeling casing, which is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it out. That's weird that Apple packaged it separately. So this is how you unbox the Apple Watch Series 4. You literally just have a little square now. You can see the back does look a little bit different as well. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the band. All right, this is a band unboxing as well now. This is just the standard black sport band. I definitely did not get anything too exciting. Then you've got your size options right here. So I'm gonna go with the larger strap because this is the 44mm. All right, so it's powering on now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my wrist, and to give you a much better perspective as to like what I'm actually looking at, I'm definitely gonna have to move the camera setup around, because instantly I'm noticing now that the screen is on, it's beautiful, it's huge, it is everything I've wanted to see in the Apple Watch since the first Apple Watch came out in 2015. So let's go ahead and take a closer look together. All right, so setup is all done. Wow, guys, this is the Apple Watch Series 4. The screen is insane on here. It's so big. I cannot emphasize that enough. I did not think it was going to be that big of an upgrade, but look at how it goes literally edge to edge on here. More so than the iPhone X too, because there's no notch. It looks so good without a notch, and I'm just noticing as I'm scrolling, there's some really cool new haptic feedback on the digital crown. Like every time I'm scrolling, there's a little tiny tap, and it feels so good. Like it's just a really satisfying feeling. I wasn't anticipating the upgrades for the digital crown that Apple said was pretty much completely re-engineered from the ground up to be that good. Even scrolling here, wow, there's haptic feedback for everything. Part of me says it could get annoying, but the other part of me says that it's a really satisfying feeling, and I'm gonna really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and check out some other apps. I want to check out music. Oh wow, that looks so good with the new display. I was not anticipating it looking this great, but also all my favorite albums are here, showing all my music is currently in the cloud. Very cool. I mean, definitely you guys can really see how far that screen goes, and that is definitely the main upgrade this year. It's the screen, and it looks great, especially if you go check out some watch faces. Of course, you can force touch here to go ahead and scroll through, but you've got Siri, Explorer, Breathe. I want to try one of the new watch faces. I think Vapor is new, so let's go ahead and try. I'm going to raise my wrist, and there is the new watch face right there. Wow, that looks really cool. Although I believe this is available for all watches, not just the Apple Watch Series 4. This one is the kaleidoscope. Whoa. This one's definitely pretty insane. As you turn the digital crown, it goes up and down, but really, again, highlights how big that display is. I've never seen anything like this on a smartwatch before, and it looks so cool. Combine the haptic feedback with some cool visuals. It's definitely a hit out of the park this time around. I'm so excited to spend more time with this, so excited to review it. Even going in the Siri watch face, everything goes so far across the screen. There just feels like there's a lot more room here. I also remember Apple mentioning the speaker was, I think, 50% louder, so I want to talk to Siri and see what Siri says. How's the weather tomorrow?
The weather's looking good tomorrow.
Wow.
Up to 73 degrees.
That is absolutely a huge improvement. Let me try that again. I know it's a little bit off mic, so you guys can't hear it as well, but talking to Siri on the Series 4, tell me a joke.
If 20 duck-sized horses chase a horse-sized duck, what time is it? 20 after 1.
Good one, Siri. Well, the jokes aren't getting any better, but the speaker is absolutely louder. I think it's hidden under there, and you can see it looks pretty gigantic. The mic has also been relocated to the right side with the new digital crown and the side button. That's not everything just yet, though. One of the new features on the Apple Watch Series 4 is being able to detect when you fall. So, of course, we had to put that to the test.
All right, guys, the time has come. It is time to test fall detection on the Apple Watch Series 4. I've never done this before. I've never intentionally fallen ever, but I'm really intrigued to see if this feature actually works because it could save somebody's life. So you're having a good day. You've got the red fit on. You're killing it as always. And, you know, you just kind of keep walking. Oh, help, I've fallen and I can't get up. Let's see if anything happens. So far, literally nothing has happened on the watch. Did it not detect it? Oh, here we go. Look at this, whoa. It looks like you've taken a hard fall. And it plays a subtle little tone as well. So wow, it totally got it. It's interesting that it took a few seconds, but you've got options for emergency SOS, I fell but I'm okay, or I did not fall. Honestly, there seems to be a lot of information here for somebody that just fell. Like, I feel like it should be call for help or I'm good, but I guess it's trying to collect some data there, so I'll hit I fell. Pretty crazy feature. Can't believe it actually worked, and of course, try it on your Apple Watch Series 4, although I wouldn't recommend just falling for the sake of it. And that's pretty crazy. I didn't even think that'd be a feature this year, and it works.
All right, so this is the Apple Watch Series 4. What do you guys think of it? Are you planning to get one? Honestly, this upgrade from the Series 3 to the Series 4, now that I'm actually seeing it, is the biggest upgrade at Apple's September event. The screen is enormous, and I didn't think it would be that big of a deal, but it is. The speaker's so loud. Fall detection is insane. Like, I cannot believe it can actually detect your arm dropping like that. It's ridiculous. I gotta hear your thoughts on this down below. Hit like if you enjoyed watching the video or if you learned something new, and of course subscribe for more on this Apple Watch in the future, and of course including a review. All right, for now I've been Sam. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.